Okay, let me show you how to set up Zettelkasten in under 5 minutes. Before we start, let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to create a new database, name it Zettelkasten. We're going to rename the main header column to notes, because databases in Notion, each entry is its own page. And we're going to use the header of each page as the place where to write the note. This is going to make future functionalities like linking and formulas be much more powerful. Finally, Zettelkasten needs two things to work. One central location for all of your notes, that's the database, and then a way to link them together. And we're going to use bidirectional relationships for that. Bidirectional relationship simply means this. Note A linked to note B. This is 1D relationship. Now, note A linked to note B, and this arrow goes both ways. That's a two-directional relationship. But that's enough theory. Let's get this started. Start the timer now. I'm going to create a database. Boom. Name it Zettelkasten. Boom. This is the header field. Name it notes. Add a little column so it makes sense. Then we need a way to link different nodes to each other. We're going to do a little test. Let's call this Zettelkasten. Let's call this test node. Test node 2. Test node 1A. Test node 2A. Test node 2A1. Okay, that's enough. So we could use this relation property. An even easier way to do it, since we want this nested logic to get a clear overview of the entire knowledge network, we're just going to click here, click settings, click more settings, click sub items, and then turn on sub items. Make sure that nested in toggle is activated. And then we're going to actually show these. And here we need to make sure that this limit is no limit, because otherwise we could only link each node once, but we want to be able to potentially link them to multiple places. So let's use a test multiple links node. Then I like to rename these in a way that makes sense to me. Belongs to, contains. This we could also call, let's just do it that way. You could also name this parent and this child, whatever makes sense to you. Now I want to link test node 1 and 2 to Zettelkasten. Easy way to do that is to drag them. Not what we're going to do for the other nodes. Now both of those nodes exist here. Test node 1A, I want to link to test node 1. Just click there, boom. Now we can test it. Ta-da! Test node 2A, I want to link to test node 2. Test node 2A1, I want to link to 2A. Test multiple links node, I want to link to, let's go crazy, all of them except Zettelkasten. Now, when we open Zettelkasten, we have test node 1 and 2. Under test node 1A, we have test node 1A and these multiple link nodes. We also have test node 2A under test node 2, as well as test multiple link nodes. And this is the same node. So if I were to make a change to this node, links. dot. It changes here as well. It's the same node. And again, each node is a page, but we write nodes in header. We don't write nodes in body. Trust me, bro. This will become clear in time. There you have it. This is all you need to set it up. Keep it simple in the beginning. Just start adding nodes here. Make sure they are self-contained, meaning they make sense on their own. Very much not like this. Like I have a lot more information about that. Here I just wanted to show you how to set it up. Don't overcomplicate it. Linking will feel weird at first. You'll get used to it. You'll get better with time. Trust the process. Okay, I wish you the best of luck.